हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम इन मैथ्स क्लास। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लाइन एंड प्लेन चैप्टर नंबर 6 एक्सरसाइज 6.1 6.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 से करने जा रहे हैं। सो वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 6.2 लाइन एंड प्लेन। Here look at the question. A, B, C, these 3 points. D is a foot of perpendicular. D is a foot of perpendicular from point A to line BC, and we find what coordinates of foot of perpendicular from A to line BC. So हमको A से foot of perpendicular ये draw किया है D. So that coordinates of D हमको find करना है. So सबसे पहले हमको equation of, so first of all we will find what equation of line BC. So line इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन BC हाउ वी फाइंड, हमको ये दिया है दैट इज इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इन 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म x माइनस x1 x2 माइनस x1 y माइनस y1 y2 माइनस y1 z माइनस z1 z2 माइनस z1. दिस इज अ कार्टेशियन फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन. सो ये हमें यूज करना है. सो x1 y1, सी इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन BC, हाउ वी गेट इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन BC, x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. So according to this, by using this formula, we can find equation of line BC. So equation of line BC we will find. Equation of line BC is what? X minus x1, that is x minus 0 upon x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 0, y minus y1, so y plus 11, y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1 means what? 8. That is minus 3 plus 11. z2 minus z1. Z minus z1. Z minus z1, that is 13. z2 minus z1, that is 1 minus 13. Which is x upon 2. Y plus 11 upon 8, z minus 13 upon minus 12. So we can reduce it. ये हम reduce करेंगे so that you will get here 1, 4 और ये minus 6. This will be the equation of line BC. अभी D is a point on line BC. So we need foot of perpendicular. So D is a point on BC. So any point on line BC, suppose we equate with lambda, then you will get the coordinates of any point on BC. So coordinates of D, how you will get coordinates of D? So x coordinate, that is x is equal to what? Lambda. Y is equal to what? 4 lambda minus 11. 4 lambda minus 11. And z is equal to what? Minus 6 lambda plus 13. So coordinates of D you can find here. Coordinates of D, lambda 4 lambda minus 11 and minus 6 lambda plus 13. Coordinates of D. Now we will find direction ratios of AD. So direction ratios of AD, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So what are DRS of AD? DRS of AD. Here coordinates of D you are getting lambda 4 lambda minus 11 minus 6 lambda plus 13. And what are the coordinates of A? 1, 0, 4. So DRS of AD, x2 minus x1, that is lambda minus 1, 4 lambda minus 11 minus 0, 4 lambda minus 11 minus 0, and minus 6 lambda plus 13 minus 4. That is lambda minus 1, 4 lambda minus 11 minus 6 lambda 13 minus 4 9. So this is what direction ratios of AD. So that we denote say A1 B1 C1 suppose. Then what is the equation of line BC? Equation of line BC is this. So DRS of BC are what? 1 4 minus 6 1 4 minus 6 are direction ratios of line BC. So DRS of line BC, DRS of line BC. What are DRS of line BC? 1 4 minus 6. 1 4 minus 6. Say it is A2, B2, C2. Now AD is perpendicular to BC, therefore A1, B1, C1, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2, it is equal to 0. So this is what direction ratio of AD, direction ratio of line AD is perpendicular to BC, therefore A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. So we will write here, since AD is perpendicular to line BC, therefore A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Now from this you can get, हमको lambda मिलेगा इससे. So we will write here, we will try to find lambda, value of lambda here. A1, A2 मतलब lambda minus 1, lambda minus 1 into 1. B1, B2 4 lambda minus 11, 4 lambda minus 11 into 4 plus minus 6 lambda plus 9, minus 6 lambda plus 9 into minus 6, that is equal to 0. Then lambda 4 and 4 16 lambda, here plus 36 lambda, 36 lambda, then minus 1 minus 44 and minus 54 is equal to 0. So we add this. This is what 53 lambda, and we add this. This is minus 99 is equal to 0. So 99 is equal to 0, and therefore lambda you are getting 99 upon 53. 99 upon 53 is value of lambda. But we are interested to find coordinates of D. How you will get coordinates of D? We know D coordinates are lambda 4 lambda minus 11 minus 6 lambda plus 13. Substitute value of lambda here. So lambda का value हमको substitute करना होगा. So coordinates of D, how you will get? Lambda, that is 99 upon 53. Then 4 lambda minus 11. So 4 into lambda. Lambda is 99 upon 53 minus 11. So we work out this. Also minus 6 lambda. Lambda is what? 99 upon 53 plus 13. So we solve this, and here we will write the answer. See, 53 into 11 and 4 into 99. Suppose 11 will take common. So 36 minus 53 and which is 36 minus 53 here 1 17, so 7 8 1 upon 53. We calculate this and this comes out to be वैल्यू ऑफ लैम्बडा 99 अपॉन 53. यहाँ पे हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, दैट इज डी कोऑर्डिनेट्स लैम्बडा 4 लैम्बडा माइनस 11 माइनस 6 लैम्बडा प्लस 13. तो हम लैम्बडा सब्स्टिट्यूट करने पर y कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट d यू आर गेटिंग दिस एंड z कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट यू आर गेटिंग 95 upon 53. So this is what foot of perpendicular drawn from A to the line BC. So we are getting this, which is required. Question number 8. If lines, these two lines, they are intersecting each other, then we will find what value of k. ये दो lines क्या है दिया है, इसमें ये दो lines intersect हो रही है. Then we find what value of k. अगर दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट होती है तो shortest distance between two lines will be 0. So according to that we will derive this formula. So what is the formula? If two lines intersect each other if and only if x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, this determinant is equal to 0. This derived from the shortest distance between lines. अगर दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट हो रही तो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम विल बी क्लियरली इट विल बी इक्वल टू 0. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी हैव डिराइव्ड दिस फॉर्मूला. सो वी आर यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला टू गेट वैल्यू ऑफ k. हियर अननोन वैल्यू k इज टू बी फाइंड आउट. यह है x1, इसका नेगेटिव होगा y1 एंड ये z1, ये a1 b1 c1, ये x2 y2 एंड ये 0 z2, ये a2 b2 c2. So we will put in this determinant and will expand and you will get what value of k. So here x1 is equal to what 1, y1 is equal to minus 1, z1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to k and z2 is equal to 0. Here we can write it as z minus 0. So z2 will be equal to what? 0. Here direction ratios a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 4, a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to 1. So DRS. Now we put in this. See, the lines are intersecting if and only x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. This determinant is equal to 0. So therefore we will get here x2 minus x1 मतलब 3 minus 1. So here we will write what x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1, that is 2, y2 minus y1, that is k plus 1, z2 minus z1, that is minus 1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Then a1 2, b1 3, c1 4, a2 1, a2 1, b2 2 and c2 1, a2 is 1, b2 is 2, c2 is 1. This is equal to 0. We expand this determinant. So 2 into, therefore it is 2 into. So we expand the determinant to get value of k. So 2 into 3, 3 minus 6, 8. So it is 3 minus 8 minus of k plus 1 into 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 plus minus 1 into 4 minus 3, that is equal to 0. This is minus 5, that is minus 10 it will be. This is what minus 5 and into 2 minus 10. Here it is minus 2 and this plus 2, k plus 2. Here minus, that is minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we are getting 2k. This is what? Minus 9 is equal to 0 and k is equal to 9 by 2. So our answer is this, k is equal to what? 9 by 2. So what is value of this unknown? Value of this unknown, when these two lines are intersecting, that means shortest distance between these two lines is 0. According to that, formula is this. So by using this formula, we are getting k is equal to 9 by 2. Line topic we have completed in this video, and plane topic we will start in the next video. Thank you for